After we concluded the trucking groupage examination, let's move on to the railway, wherein we take the approach for a rail freight CO2 calculation under the microscope. Compared with the trucking groupage, a railway computation looks a lot easier, at least in its beginning. This assumes, however, that the basic data are correct. Utilizing the railway for the means of transportation, the use of electro-locomotives generate approximately 30% less CO2 than diesel trains. The formula used on CO2 emission calculations can also be applied much easier, and formula elements are based on the specifics of energy consumption and the CO2 conversion factor. Basically, we have to consider two railcar drives, the diesel and electric drive. What should be noted here is that the German railways, DB, transport about 96% of all goods transported by electric locomotives. Thus, the railway transport will face significantly less competition. The calculation in a diesel operation includes the well-to-tank transportation. In this case, however, fossil fuels, which are incurred in the pre-production of the diesel, must be taken into account. The conversion factor in well-to-tank transportation is set forth in 3,772 grams of carbon dioxide per gram consumed diesel. The consumption on specific energy consumption results from calculations performed by the Institute for Energy and Environmental Research Heidelberg, IFEU.